Alright, this is the unboxing of a GoPro Hero 2. 10 megapixels. Shoots in 4K, 30 frames per second. You can take it up to 33 feet underneath water. It shows you on the side. You can speak to it. It takes in audio. 1080p and 90 frames per second. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you. Take off the outer wrapper. Probably could have done that in a more graceful way. So there it is, right there. Go in the back. There are the instructions. Ain't nobody got time for that. And then what's inside here? Oh, so here are the cables. It's along with some 3M stickers for adhesive to like adhering to certain things. And then at the top right here, I don't know how you get this. You just gotta, oh, it clips off. So you take this. Oh, you lift that up. So you gotta lift this thing up right here, this latch, and you're able to pinch that and it slides off. That's the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 5. Alright. And to take it off of that, just unscrew this like that. And there you go, you're able to attach attachments to it right there. That's the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 5. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.